Hi everybody, it's me Asang Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to invite you guys to click the join button level 3 for more driving videos, longer videos, driving engine, barefoot driving, crash videos like tomato crash and food crash, something like that. And then also you can also support me by sending the super thanks. It's just next to the share button, and for the membership just click the join button level 3 next to subscribe button. And today's guys, I have a new account of my TikTok. I have TikTok account now, and I also have my Instagram, so you can also follow my Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts, so here and here. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you want a custom video, you can also message me to my Gmail account or else to my Facebook account right here down below. So I would like to say thank you everyone for supporting my channel. Love you all and see you next vlog. More driving videos to come in my channel. Love you all. Bye! It's quite hard. And then the other one is quite wet a little bit because it's raining today. That would be all, and more driving videos to come. Bye. Love you all.